In front of me is Wieppo S5, and let me show you how to activate demo mode on the following device. So first of all, just open the list of all apps, go to the settings then, and here open developer options. If you cannot find developer options here, you have to unlock them. To do it, just take a look at the tutorial on how to activate developer options in Wieppo, and then smoothly unlock them, open, here scroll down a bit, and right here you will notice demo mode. Smoothly click on it, and now you can enable demo mode by tapping on this switcher. And that's it, it is already active, and if you would like to show it, click on show demo mode. And that's it. As you can see, you've just activated demo mode in your Wieppo. Then whenever you would like to switch it off, just mark this switcher. And this is it, that would be all. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.